This is section 1-2, video 2, orders of operation. In this video, we're going to be evaluating expressions using the order of operations. Using the 4 steps, evaluating grouping symbols, and then powers, multiplying and dividing, and then adding or subtraction, we will evaluate expressions and come up with a single answer. So we're going to start with this expression, 15 divided by 3 times 6 minus 4 raised to the second power. So looking at this, we can see our first operation is division, and then we have multiplication, then we have subtraction, and then the last operation we have in order from left to right is a power. But before we start evaluating different pieces of these, we need to look at the order we need to do this in. So step 1 says evaluate the expressions inside of grouping symbols. But we don't have any grouping symbols. We don't have any parentheses, brackets, or braces. So we can skip step 1. Step 2 says evaluate all powers. Well, we know we have the power 4 to the second power. So we have the expression 15 divided by 3 times 6 minus 4 squared. So the first thing we need to do is evaluate that 4 squared. So we just write it out. We just write it out step by step. So we have 15 divided by 3 times 6 minus that 4 squared. 4 squared is 16 because 4 times 4 is 16. So now we have 15 divided by 3 times 6 minus 16. Okay, we're taking care of our powers. Step 3 says multiply and or divide in order from left to right. Okay, moving from left to right, you'll see we have division first. We have 15 divided by 3. So we divide those two numbers because they have the division symbol in between them. So we take care of 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So then we have 5 times 6 because that's the next operation in our expression. So we have 5 times 6 minus 16. So you notice we're whittling our way down to an answer. Okay, so now we have 5 times 6 minus 16. Next operation we have here is multiplication. So we do that. 5 times 6 is 30. So now we have 30 minus 16. And last but not least, we have our addition subtraction, which is our step 4. 30 minus 16 is 14. So we evaluated this expression, 15 divided by 3 times 6 minus 4 squared, and we were able to determine that the answer is 14. Okay, let's try another one. This time we have 8 minus 6 times 4 divided by 3. This is the check your progress on page 10, number 1A, at the bottom of page 10. So we have 8 minus 6 times 4 divided by 3. Order of operations. First one, grouping symbols. No grouping symbols. Evaluate the powers, which is step 2. We have no powers. So step 3 is multiply and or divide from left to right. Okay, we do have multiplication and division because our expression is 8 minus 6 times 4 divided by 3. So first things first, we have 6 times 4 right in the middle. So we have 8 minus 6 times 4. So we take care of that. So we have 8 minus 6 times 4, which is 24, then divided by 3. So now we have 8 minus 24 divided by 3. The 8 minus 24, we don't do that quite yet, but we still have that division to take care of because we're working left to right. So now we have 24 divided by 3. So now we have 8 minus 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So now I have 8 minus 8. And then we do our step 4, which is our subtraction. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So we come up with an answer of 0. So 8 minus 6 times 4 divided by 3 all comes out to 0. So now I'm going to show you What happens if we do the same problem and we just work left to right and do not use order of operations? So let's start with this, 8 minus 6. We're just going to work left to right and see what happens. So 8 minus 6, now we have 2 divided by 4 divided by 3. Or sorry, 2 times 4 divided by 3. All right, so now we do what we're just working left to right. 2 times 4, which is 8, divided by 3. 8 divided by 3 is not a whole number. 8 divided by 3 is 2 and 2/3, which is not the same thing as 0. So this shows you that you have to do order of operations in order to get the correct answer.